Hello everyone, I'm Becky Goldsmith with Piece of Cake, and this year I'm going to make custom advent calendars for my kids, my daughter-in-law, and my 3 grandchildren. I've started a Pinterest board and I'll put the link below because what I want to make are advent calendars that are basically disposable, not something that anybody has to hold on to and store from year to year. In an advent calendar, you have a present for every day in December before Christmas. So that's 24 different little presents. My presents are going to be either in a white paper bag or a brown paper bag. I may mix the 2 bags together in one calendar. I may stick with one color and then the other in other calendars. Don't know yet. I might write the numbers directly on the bags, but more likely is that I'm going to use these little paper hang tags to put the numbers on because I like them, because they're cute. I definitely am going to want to decorate the bags with more than numbers. So I have a friend who has gifted me with some of her spare ribbon, and I have already been out to buy more ribbon, and I may have to go out and get more ribbon. But remember, I want to keep this inexpensive and disposable, so I don't want to sink a bunch of money into these supplies. I did buy a set of Posca acrylic paint markers because I think these will make a nice line when I write the numbers. They'll be legible and there's nice colors in here to use. I haven't gotten it yet, but I'm going to. I'm going to get cute either wrapping paper or scrapbooking papers with cute motifs that I can cut out and use to decorate the bags. I can also use glitter or sequins with glue on the bags or on the tags, and probably at least a little bit I'll be doing that. You could use buttons, you could use pipe cleaners. Really, you can use anything you want. As I said, I did a Pinterest board. Be sure to look at it and feel free to add more to your own board because there's some really great ideas out there for advent calendars. The other thing to think about is how you're going to present the little presents. Like, how are you going to group them together? I had thought I might do the thing with sticks or a small board where you have string and a clip and you put the bag on the clip and then people can take that off of the clip. I had thought that I might do a heavy cord and attach them to the cord in numerical order. But my bags, at least some of them, are going to have chocolate in them. And all of the recipients of the advent calendars I'm making, all of those people have dogs. And we can't any of us trust the dogs not to get into the advent calendars. So I need to present them in a dog-proof manner. I'm going to use small boxes, maybe that's open at the top or maybe that can be closed up. Either way, I haven't decided yet. And I'm going to cover the boxes to make them cute. Now there'd be a variety of ways to do that. You could spray paint the boxes. You can cover them with wrapping paper. You can cover them with fabric or with a tea towel. There are a variety of options that I will look at in future videos. So if this sounds like fun to you, go ahead and begin to gather your supplies. And in the next videos, I'll show you how I decorate my bags and the kind of gifts I'm going to put in them, and then how I'm going to pull mine together to present them to my 6 special people. I look forward to seeing what all of you come up with. Thank you for watching, and may you have lots of fun getting started.